Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from AngelRose Designs, and today I'm here with a Dollar Tree haul, and I'm going to show you what's at my local Dollar Tree, and this is the first time I do a haul for Dollar Tree, and I will let you know what department it was in and everything, okay? Sip of water. Haha. So, I got two of these little trays here, which I have an idea for. And I found these at the front of the store, but you can also get them in the craft section of Dollar Tree if they have them. Okay. And I also got, let me find a place to put these. I also got these little clips here. They're from Crafter Square. And they're little craft clamps. And they're really cute. I got, I think, two of those. Yep. I think I got two of everything. I got me some Crafter Square. Okay. Crafter Square paintbrushes. I got 3 packs of those because I'm going to lay them. And I also got these markers. They're metallic markers. I got this one. Let me see if I can zoom in a bit so you can see better. And of course, clear the screen up a little bit. There we go. Now let's zoom in. Okay. Whoops, wrong way. There we go. I got two. No. Let me see. I think it's 2 of those. Yep. I got 2 of those. Got 2 of the white. And this one looks like a rose gold color. And they're called Forever in Time. They're acid free. Cool beans. Now I know what I can do with it. They're felt tip. I got 2 of these. Then I got me some Crafter Square chalkboard tags. I got an idea for those. And then Crafter Square rub-on stickers. I got 2 packs of this one. It says USA Freedom. It's got We the People, the Liberty Bell, Eagles, the Statue of Liberty, a flag. I got 2 of those by Crafter Square. And I also got me this little journal book here that I can put in my planner to take notes. And it says Choose to Shine. I have other ones that says other things on the top. And that is all. So stay tuned for the next video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I want to thank you all for watching. I'm just putting them in my little basket here so I can put them away. Thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Hit that big red subscribe button down below. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified when I, put up new videos or I go live. Let me zoom out because that's way too close and personal. So, I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, stay safe, be well, stay crafty, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget. And I will see y'all later. Bye-bye for now, crafty angels.